Look at this, guys. Is this a woodpecker? Is that a woodpecker? He's got a red head. He's got a long beak. Does anybody know? Is that a woodpecker? Hey, bird. You getting worms? Grubs? He's pretty cool, whatever kind of bird he is. So the pet cemetery and the Rose of Sharon's all cleaned out around from how close I can get to him. I really don't want him to fly away. He's eating. He's having a good brunch. Or is it lunch now? I don't know. I think I come out here around 10:30. I don't know. It didn't take me that long. Oh, he's an awful nice bird, though. Look at him. I saw some. They look black, but then when you the sun shines on them, they have like a rainbow of colors in their feathers. I don't know if they're starlings, but they're so pretty. He's just going to town. You get lots of birds after you cut your lawn, you know. They can have access to all the bugs. I think he is a woodpecker. Although I haven't heard one around here. I don't know, he's awful cool though. Oh, at the park the other day, it was on, I think I've talked about this site before. We have a site called Barnesville Liars Bench, and people get on there and talk about the red cow that's loose in town and different things. And a woman's bird got loose. They must not have had their wings clipped very well, or maybe she in between clipping, but it flew to the park, and I never did find out where she lived, but a little boy was holding it. It was a cockatiel, and she got it back because of the Liars Bench. They posted a picture of the little boy holding it at the park. They were having a baseball game, and she got it back, and then she posted a thank you picture because everybody shared it and stuff, and she had him back in his cage. Oh, there he goes. He's got a white tail. Oh, that was a cool bird. Anyways, I thought that was a cool story. I meant to tell you guys, but I forgot. But yeah, it had a happy ending. She got her pet bird back. I bet she took it to the person who clips it. Maybe she does it herself, but I bet she got them wings clipped. So that doesn't happen again, but thank goodness the bird was so tame that, you know, it just let that boy hold it. And I guess they must have kept it somehow until she came and got it. But isn't that a neat story? I love stories like that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get off of here, finish up. I'm gonna get my water bottle out of the yard. Eli's still out here. He comes in and out in specks. He always comes shows up when the work's done, but he's been coming in and out of the bushes and inspecting my work. Oh, and I took a picture of him. He was laying on the rock that looks like the state of Ohio. And my other cat, I had Kiefer's buried under there. And he was laying on it, and he had a blade of grass over his nose. And by the time I got the phone out of my pocket and got the camera up, he had moved, but he was still on the rock. There he is. He's just having a blast out here. See, now he's going to inspect that. Oh, he's climbing. That's so cool when they do that. He's going to inspect that. What I did around the Rose of Sharon, because that's the last thing I did. Aw, see, it's like they know. Aw. I'm gonna go and take this picture. Love you guys. Have a super Sunday. Bye for now.